Ever wished learning materials for kids looked more fun and less like a wall of text? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create a bright, kid-friendly infographic using Google Slides, perfect for teachers, parents, or anyone making content for young learners. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. If you're already a user, you might have it bookmarked, but you can also just search Google Slides and click the first result. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so everything saves properly and all features are available. Once you're on the homepage, you've got two ways to begin. You can click on a blank presentation if you want full creative control, or browse the templates if you'd like a head start with layout and color scheme already in place. Templates can save a ton of time, especially when you want things to look polished from the jump. Now, to really unlock the infographic magic, you're going to add a tool. Head to the top menu and click on Extensions. From the drop-down, select Get Add-ons. A new window will open. That's basically your marketplace of bonus tools. Use the search bar inside that window and type in Infographics. When the results pop up, look for one called PPT Design Infographics Templates. Click it, follow the prompts, and add it to your slides. This add-on gives you a library of pre-made infographic templates designed with vibrant layouts that are ideal for kids. Think fun icons, colors, and clean structure. Once it's installed, you'll be able to open those templates directly inside your project. From there, you can customize colors, drag in images, change fonts to something playful, and plug in your own content. The goal is to make information easy to follow and exciting to look at. Charts, steps, fun facts, or visuals kids can instantly connect with. That's all the setup you need. With Google Slides and the right add-on, you're not starting from scratch. You're building on top of designs made to stand out. Try mixing bright colors, big headings, and simple icons to keep kids engaged. If you found this helpful and want more guides just like this, stick around. There's plenty more coming. Thanks for watching and go create something awesome.